Hi guys, my name is Kavana. I'm an assistant manager here in SOBHA. Today I'm giving you a tour on SOBHA Dream Garden. The property is located in the Kannuru Main Road, which is parallelly located in between Hennur and Thanisandra Main Road. I'll be presenting to you SOBHA Dream Gardens master plan. So I want to give a brief about this property. As SOBHA is known for its theme-based properties, SOBHA Dream Gardens is coming with a Zen theme, a Japanese well-known theme, whereas all the amenities will be related to the theme. I'll be just giving you a brief on that part. See this prototype, you can show. This is my Kannuru Main Road, which will be parallel between the Hennur and Thanisandra Main Road. So from here the property will start in an 18-acre land parcel, wherein which I have 10 spacious towers and a 40,000 square feet clubhouse which will be coming up. A multi-layered swimming pool which will be covering with 3 to 4 pools inside, that is a lap pool, leisure pool and a kids pool which will be inside. So when I said 10 tower, this will be my tower number 10, which is not yet open for sale. Currently, I have opened these 3 towers. So these are my 9 towers which are structured on a podium level. So the structure for the SOBHA Dream Gardens property is basement plus ground plus 23-storied apartment, 4 apartment and 4 apartment each, which will be divided with 2 lifts and 1 staircase each. So for 4 apartments, 2 lifts and 1 staircase you will gonna get with a separate lobby. That you can leak out in here as well. So here my basement as well as the ground floor is the path. I'll be giving 8 by 18 spacious car parking which will be covered, whereas throughout the property you will get the visitors parking in this. So the first floor of the apartment itself will be somewhere around 30-35 feet elevated from the ground level because of its podium structure. So that is a very new thing in the Bangalore entire market if you see. SOBHA Dream Gardens has come up with the vehicular free-space podium, given all the amenities on top of the podium. So this will make sure that, let's say there is a kid or a senior citizen inside the house, you can be completely rest assured that they are in a safe place without any pollution, without any vehicular movement. So the idea behind this property is to give as much amenities as possible which is outdoor, which will be in terms of the Zen, which will give some meditation lawns, the Buddha cove, the bamboo walk tree, the koi fish pond, which are all very serene and very refreshing.